There is so much carbon deposit here. No wonder the car won't start. Next, let's clean it up. Find a bottle of detergent first. Wash thoroughly. Okay. Okay, already cleaned up. Next, let's install it back. Okay, now the installation is complete. Next, I will get in the car and start it to try. See if it can be started. Let's go. Start the car. Look, a success. Let's go to the front. The power is very strong. The problem has been completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.